All right, guys, what's going on? Right here, I'm going to give you a simple method that has worked for me over the years. It doesn't cost any money to start it up or anything. It's just a real simple YouTube method, basically making money from YouTube and either ClickBank or if you have any other type of products or anything you want to get traffic to. This is how to get traffic from YouTube on autopilot, guys. And the main thing is you don't even have to have your own video. Okay, I'm going to show you this trick that you don't even have to have your own video, and you can make money. Like, all you have to do is upload the videos to an account. Okay, so what I'm going to show you here, guys. So first of all, if you don't have a ClickBank account, go ahead and join ClickBank, clickbank.com. Sign up for the account. When you get over here, I'm not going to go too in depth on ClickBank. There's other video tutorials out there to show you how to use ClickBank. ClickBank is just, it's a people add products there, and you can promote these products. Okay, so you could do this in any niche, guys, on YouTube. All right, so what you're going to do is just go to the marketplace. When you get over here, you're going to find yourself. Oh, excuse me, hold on. That's my chicken coop business right there going off. Might have to let somebody else get that. Anyways, so what you want to do is find you a good niche, something that's pretty popular. Home and garden, weight, health and fitness, weight loss is always popular. Spirituality, new age, alternative beliefs. Those are popular stuff that have good products here at ClickBank, guys. So we'll for instance, we'll go with the, cooking's another good one. Basically, anything over here is actually good. But for this one, well, let's go with health and fitness, okay? Oh, my God, that thing is not going to stop, is it? All right. So, anyways, let's see. This is just for an example, guys. I'll go with maybe this. Well, what you want to do when you come over to ClickBank is switch this over to gravity, because you want the products that have the highest gravity. Those sell the most. And see, this one has a gravity of 221. So this product is selling great. Fat, was it System by West Virginia? Okay, so let's go look at this product real quick. Let's make sure it's a good product. Okay, great. It's a video, nice page. This is where you want to be sending people to, okay? So what you want
Okay, wait, stop. Let me.
hold up. So what you want to do is just go ahead and you want to get this product. So you'll hit promote, then you'll create your link. Okay, then it's going to give you this link right here, which you'll want to take to. You don't want to put this in your YouTube description. So you're going to want to take it to like bit.ly.com. All right, so you want to copy that link. Then we'll go over here to Bitly, and Bitly is a URL shortener. So, and then plus you can track. Hold on. You have to sign in to Bitly now. I remember having to join Bitly. Okay, right here. So you want to shorten your link, guys. Just put that link in there. All right. And now this is your new short link. Now you can track this link, guys. So you copy this link. This is the link that you're going to want to put in your YouTube video, okay? So right there, that'll be the link. So we'll leave that up. So now back over to YouTube. Okay, so we're in the fitness, right? And that product was, yeah, about burning fat, basically. So what we want to do is just, let's go look at, let's type in burning fat workout. Okay, so look, all these right here, guys, is what YouTube is giving you suggestions. You want to go with the longer keywords, okay? Don't go for the short one, just burning fat, because you're not going to rank for that, all right? So what you want to do is go burning fat while building muscle. Okay, that's a good one. Or burning fat exercises for women. Burning fat and building muscle. Burning fat exercises for men. So let's go with burning fat workout at home. All right. So right here, look at this. 5 years ago, 48 million views. Imagine that. Over 5 years, this person got 48 million views, guys. Imagine all them people clicking on this video and you had your link at the bottom of it and you're sending them back to that offer. That's a lot of money just coming in. So imagine if you uploaded 10 videos and they're all getting traffic over the years. That's just money coming in over the years, guys, on autopilot. Okay, so what you're gonna do without having to build a make your own video. So what you're gonna put right behind this keyword, you're gonna put a comma, then you're going to put let's see, let me get that out. Where's my notes at? I always forget. Let's see where we at. Creative Commons, okay? So you want to put Creative Commons right behind it, all right? Creative Commons, and then you're going to hit go, all right? So what this is showing me right here, guys, is all these videos right here have Creative Commons rights to it, all right? So right here, let's check out this video right here. Let's go to the description and let's see.
Whatever your idea, HostGator can help bring it to life online.
Sorry about that, guys. Let's go look in the description right here. All right, right here at the bottom, it says Creative Commons Attribution License Reuse Allowed. So that means you can reuse this video, guys. Let's watch the video. Here, I'll turn it down a little bit.
All right, let's be honest. I know you are looking for the easy way to lose belly fat.
Great video, guys, already.
And who isn't, right? I mean, why would you do it the hard way if you could do it the easy way?
What we'll do...
How can you actually do it without exercise, though?
Is we will take the link to this video right here, copy it, and then we are going to open up this website right here called it's called onlinevideoconverter.com, guys. All you do is real simple. Put your here, the pop-up, get out of the way. We're gonna click on that create video link thing right there. Here, let me go back so you guys can see that, because that pop-up popped up right here. Convert a video link. We are going to click on that. We are going to put that video link here. Then we're going to come right here and we're going to click MP4. Then we're going to hit start. Once we hit start, guys, I'm not going to download this video because I'm not going to actually do that right now. But once we hit start, it's going to download that MP4. All right. So when it downloads that MP4, guys, you need to switch the file. Damn, I need to go back to YouTube, don't I? Where I was. Okay. Let me go back to YouTube to where I exactly was.
All right, let's be honest. I know you are looking
right here. So once you download that video file, that MP4 file, you need to switch it. And if you guys need to stop and rewind the video, go ahead and do that just so you can get this method down. But you need to switch the file name to this keyword that you're choosing. Okay, this is a long keyword right here. Now look, we can even go deeper. Look. Fat burning workout at home for beginners. Let's go with that one, guys, okay? So we'll switch it to that one. It don't matter, you know, as long as the video has the Creative Commons rights to it and the reuse, you can reuse any of these videos, guys, okay? So we're gonna copy this and then we'll find that file. I did not download, or did I download it? I can't remember if I did or not. I might not, yeah, okay, so I didn't download the file, but what you wanna do is like this, find the file, and then you'll switch the name. Just go over to get info, and then you'll switch that name. You'll switch that name up, okay? But make sure you leave that MP4 at the end so it knows it's an MP4 file. You'll switch that name to the keyword, and then come up here to your tags as well, guys, and put it in the tags right here, and then exit out of that, okay? And then it'll switch the name for you. So that's what you upload to YouTube, okay? Then you'll come over to YouTube, you'll upload it. I recommend you guys going to check out the YouTube ranking videos over here at Money Matrix. Well, where you're at right now. The YouTube training video. This will show you how to do your tags, descriptions, and all that good stuff, okay? But what makes it great is that you can get these videos to rank, okay? And you just upload, you know, every day, upload a video, you know, every day. That's going to be money coming in from years to come, guys, okay? And you don't even have to build your own video. Like I said, take the Creative Commons rights. Somebody's already built the video, and all you do is just put that bit.ly link, like I showed you when we went to bit.ly. Put this link in the description after you upload the video, okay? Give it a nice little description, something to do with the keyword. Have your keyword in the description. Okay, and then put your bit.ly link there. So when people you know, it starts getting views and tons of views because weight loss is a big niche, right? You know, it's always going to be a big niche. So it's always going to get views. I mean, look at these views that 1 year ago, almost 1 million views on this, guys. Imagine if that was your video that you had uploaded, and you know, it's a great video. People are going to be clicking that link. They're going to be buying the product that you're offering from over here at ClickBank, okay? And guys, you get all of that every time, $26. $26, boom, every time. Imagine, that's good money, guys, off of one video. Off of one video. So this is a great way to make money. It's easy. You don't have to do much. Just upload the videos, guys. Free videos. You don't even have to make the videos. Come over here, grab a link, and you can do this with any type of product. Like, I'm actually in the Fortnite niche right now, and that's what I'm kind of doing. I've been doing that, and I've been actually trying to build up a Fortnite channel. Because that's a popular game right now. See, that's another thing you guys want to do is find hot niches, you know, what's popular right now, and then find a product for it, and then do the same thing. Grab these videos, start uploading them to YouTube. That's money, money, money coming in, guys. If you guys have any more questions on this, please feel free to hit me up over here in Money Matrix, guys. I'm always here. I always check my messages, so you guys can find me here. I'm the admin. I hope this has been helpful. I have more main method videos coming. I have multiple sources of income, guys, multiple tricks. So you guys stay tuned, stay subscribed, get your Money Matrix links out there so you can make money as well just by bringing people back to Money Matrix, okay? And then get these videos out there, guys. A lot of people are doing it, and there's no way it's oversaturated because there's so many niches, so many different products. I mean, woodworking, guys. You know, people have videos on YouTube where they're creating stuff, and then you leave a link to a woodworking course or something. You know, it's all different types of ways, guys, and that's the easiest way. When I found that method, I was blown out by this method. I was like, wow, that's crazy. I didn't even know you can take other people's videos and re-upload them to YouTube, you know, and get the traffic off of it, guys. So I hope this has helped. Stay tuned. I'm glad to have you guys over here. Stay subscribed. It's just a cup of coffee a month, you know, for me to help you guys out. And like I said, you're going to have to invest online if you want to make money online. But you don't want to get scammed in the process. So $7.95 a month, guys, and you're here with me, you're good to go. You're good to go. Yeah. Have a good day.